I'm only really free here. How powerful this silence is. I can still feel the speed inside me. Like adrenaline. Your knees always on the ground, and the sliders wear out faster and faster. The thrill you get for more than 200 horsepower is incredible. The only motorbike that gives me the same sense of excitement is taking part in a race. The most effective electronic regulation, moment by moment. My passion and Aprilia racing technology. A single beating heart. Aprilia RSV4. This bike is awesome. Designed for racers. Built for riders.